Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, San Diego, Oceanside. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Extended Stay America, San Diego, Oceanside is especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a kitchenette. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi and free guest parking. LEGOLAND California is just 15 minutes drive away. Every kitchen at Extended Stay America, San Diego, Oceanside is equipped with a stovetop, a microwave and a fridge. Upgraded bedding with extra pillows are included in each guest room. Weekly housekeeping services are provided for free and daily services are provided for a fee. A free grab-and-go breakfast including breakfast bars, muffins, hot cereal, coffee and tea is served every morning. A 24-hour front desk is available at this hotel. Laundry facilities are located on site. Oceanside Pier is 5 miles away from the property. San Diego Zoo Safari Park is 34 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.